Welcome back to today's project. My company just purchased this new Ventrac 4520Z tractor to add to our fleet. Currently we have one other 4500Z. Let's check this one out and see how it compares. This is the newest model out, just released in late 2021, with lots of improvements. I really like the new tie-down points built into the frame on the front and the rear. Makes securing to a trailer much easier. Aesthetically, it has a few new body lines. The new side panels with all the cutouts really catch your eye. These should help with cooling. The most noticeable upgrade is the LED lighting. It has 4 forward-facing LED headlights and 2 rear LED taillights. They offer strobe and beacon lighting as well. The PTO controls have moved over to the right side of this machine. I'm fighting my muscle memory on the location from the 4500, but I actually like the new layout better. My favorite option on this new machine is the fan mounted on the ROPS. It blows air down onto the operator and it really moves some air. This keeps the operator cool and also cuts down on the dust. Our 4500Z has an aftermarket cool top, but this one comes straight from Ventrac. A must-have in my opinion. Ventrac offers a few engine options. This is the liquid-cooled Kubota gas engine. It's the most powerful available and puts out 32.5 horsepower. They've added regular bolt heads to all the access panels. The 4500 has Allen head bolts, which is a pain if you don't have the right tools in the field. Most everybody has a crescent wrench in a pinch. They've also upgraded the gauge cluster and added a USB charging port. The 4520Z hydraulic system has been completely updated. New pumps, motors, hoses, and fittings. Ventrac claims a 33% increase in flow, and I would tend to agree. You can really feel the difference between the 4500 and the 4520. The 4500 seemed to run out of power cresting slopes or backing up slopes, and it's not even noticeable on this machine. This field hasn't been cut since last October. The mowing deck is set to 4 1/4 inches, and it's blazing through with no hiccups at all. It cuts grass and small brush really well. Some of the stuff I'm mowing is really thick and tall, and this 4520Z never skipped a beat. These are great little tractors that are super stable on steep slopes. Ventrac offers a lot of cool attachments, from mowers to buckets and blades and rakes and aerators. We mainly use the mowing deck, bucket, and aerator attachments on our tractors. I can confidently say that the aerator attachment is the best aerator attachment on the market. Maybe I'll show that in a future project this fall. Not that it matters on the job site, this one is way faster than the 4500. I had it topped out at 10.4 mile per hour at one point. A quick rinse off and this one's ready to go to work on Monday. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.